Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The name given is Syamimi Nawwarah binti Muhammad ZAIDI. I'm from class BE 224 4D. So, I want to give you guys an situation. So, let's imagine together. You guys imagine if every building we construct today could reduce waste, save energy, and protect the environment at the same time. This is the main goal of the sustainable construction. So, with that in mind, I will proceed with my topic for today, which is the application of eco-friendly or recycled construction materials in Malaysia. So now, without further ado, let's proceed to introduction. So, did you guys know the construction industry contribute significantly to environmental issues such as waste generation, carbon emission, and resource depletion? Therefore, sustainable construction has become increasingly important. Sustainable construction also focus on resource efficiency, waste reduction, and environmental protection. One of the effective approach is the use of eco-friendly materials, which is to minimize the environmental impact throughout their life cycle project timeline. And another is the use of recycled material, which help in reduce landfill waste and support the circular economy. You guys have to go on a journey with me in discovering the application of eco-friendly materials or recycled construction materials in Malaysian project. We evaluate the challenge and propose strategies to enhance their adoption in the future. For mention, several sustainable materials are becoming increasingly popular. These include low VOC paint, bamboo materials, recycled concrete aggregate, RCA, or recycled materials. Low VOC paints improve indoor air quality, meanwhile bamboo is a renewable material with a low carbon footprint, and RCA helps reduce construction waste through recycling. Looking ahead of this, the future of sustainable construction is promising due to the growing demand of the green buildings, support from the ZAIDI and the GBI companies, stronger environmental regulations, wider adoption of renewable materials, and also the expansion of the recycling. Okay, so now let's move on to the case study. The project I choose is Green Energy Office or GEO building at Bangi. So this is a good example of sustainable construction in building because this building incorporates several sustainable features such as double glazed reflective glass, mineral wool and foam insulation, building integrated photovoltaic (BIPV), low VOC materials, harvesting system, and also natural daylighting. These features help in reducing energy consumption. See what's the issues and challenges of this green material. There are four. The first is high initial cost. So it is because sustainable materials often require higher upfront investment compared to conventional materials. The second challenge is lack of awareness and knowledge. This is because among the industry stakeholders, some developers and also contractors still perceive this material as expensive or risky. Next, supply chain limitation. This is because sustainable materials and recycling facilities remains limited in certain regions, especially in Malaysia. Finally, regulatory and standardized issues. This is because it discourages the adoption and may cause the stakeholders to be uncertain about the compliance requirements and the performance. The strategies or solution to overcome the issues. There are four. First is government incentive, such as tax benefit, grants, or programs that can help reduce the financial burdens of adopting the sustainable materials. Next is education and professional training should be expanded to improve industry awareness and technical expertise. Third, strengthen the standards and regulation. This is because stronger standard and certification framework are needed to increase confidence among industry stakeholders. And lastly, research and development. Research and development activities should continue to improve the performance, durability, and affordability of the sustainable. So, evaluation. From my evaluation, sustainable construction materials offer significant environmental and economic benefits such as reduced environmental impacts, improved energy efficiency, support waste minimization, and long-term life cycle cost saving. Although they have their limitations such as high implementation costs, limited expertise, supply chain constraints, and regulatory uncertainties, but they also have the ways to overcome it. As what demonstrated by the GEO building, sustainable construction should be viewed as a long-term investment and not a short-term investment. So now, lastly is recommendation and conclusion. There are four recommendations. The first is government should expand sustainability incentive. Second, ZAIDI and GBI companies should strengthen awareness program. Third, industry players should integrate sustainability during project planning. And the last recommendation is research institutions should develop more affordable and informative green materials. So, in conclusion, eco-friendly and recycled construction materials play an important role in supporting Malaysia's sustainable development goals. With stronger support, innovation and commitment from all parties, sustainable construction will continue to grow. For me, thank you.